guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, if you tap on the screen and then look like up there, I think, we are going to be making pancakes. I don't really have time to like game or anything, or like it's really hard because the TV is like annoying and the sound doesn't work and I really need sound. So guys, we're going to be making some pancakes and let's get into it. Okay guys, kind of bad view, but first we're going to start with putting our pancake mix in. Let's put this in. It's kind of like flour. Oh, don't want to blow on that, that'll go everywhere. Now we need to get at least like a cup of milk. Let's just quickly fill this up. Sorry, you can't really see. That should be enough. That, okay. Should be good, guys. That in there. And now you just mix. Oh yeah. Put this thing in here. Only put it up for one. That should be good, guys. Quickly put a tad more milk in here. I need to stand this thing up. Okay. Tad more milk. And also this. Quickly, we'll just put some more mixing. A little bit more of that. There. That should be good. Okay, guys, after we do this, should be able to. Yummy. Hopefully that should be good, guys. Now we got this. Now we just need to move this here. Here's the pan. Let's hope to God my phone doesn't fall in the golden pan. Now we just need to, sorry about that, put in some butter to the pan. First of all, we might have to turn it on. How do you turn this thing on again? There we go. Tap on this, and then we turn it up. We'll put it up to 8, I think. That should be good. 9. Yep, okay. Now guys, I will see you guys when it is all in the pan. Guys, it's pretty melted. Just get this to go all around the pan. Solidify the butter in the pan, and it will all be okay. That should be good. That can melt a little bit more. Now we need to grab the like a cradle type thing. Get some of our pancake mix. Put some of that good, ladies and gentlemen. And now, I'll see you guys when they're done. Yummy. Guys, looks like they're almost done. Oh, okay. That should be good. Wait for the other ones to just warm up a little bit. That should be good now. Yes. Wait for this one a little bit longer. Sorry, I'm using a fork. I don't really have anything else at the moment. I don't really have like an egg flipper. So it's kind of all I got. Well, that one got a little bit burnt, but it's okay. Wait for these guys to do their thing. And this should be good actually. Put this plate over here. And oh, it's getting a little bit burnt up in here. Come on, quick! I don't want these to be burnt. Oh, it's stuck on that thing. Got it. Oh wait, no, it's falling off. Oh no, guys. Sorry, you couldn't really see all that. See, the bottom of the pancake kind of fell off. So, oh crap, it's gone on the other side. Okay, let's put this down a bit. Okay, pretty smoky. Now we need to, guys, we've got some pancakes. I'm gonna put a couple more in, and then that should be good. Why not we just put this here? Should be good for that one. Just put a little bit here, and I'll add some onto that in a bit. Okay. Some more, put it here, and that should be good. Maybe I add one more in the back. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pretty much done, but not yet done. First of all, a little bit hot, but let's taste this. Delish. Now, yeah. That's back on. Okay. Now, while that's doing that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys would like to see more cooking videos, put in the description down below. These taste really good. Hopefully you guys know how to make pancakes now. If you really did enjoy the video, please do leave a like. And you should be done soon. Yep, that should be good. Woo-hoo. Sorry, it's kind of stuck to the other one. Oh, big one. Oh no, should have left that one. Yeah, patch that one up. Patch it up. Patch it up. There we go. Now we should be able to clean this off. Guys, I'm not the best at cooking. I'm not the best at putting cameras on. That would be a really good one if I just wait a couple of seconds. Oh, pretty good one, but some of it leaked out, so we'll just push that back in there. Hopefully, that'll cook. Guys, this might be one of my best pancakes yet. Yep, that's good. That's really good. What about this one? Give that a couple of seconds. Yep, that's good. Okay. While I'm waiting for that one, there it is, and that should be done. Leave it on there for a little bit more, and we'll add, sorry guys, and we'll add one more over here. So I've made a complete mess. Really not good at this, guys. There we go. have this. This should be. Oh no! 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 I just put it on top of the other one. Oh crap! I'm really not good at this, guys. Oops. Put that like that, and that should do its thing. Now, guys, this has been a kind of failure, kind of not. This fork's really, really hot now. That should be enough pancakes for today. Jeez, I can't even pick it up. Okay, guys, that should be enough pancakes for today. They're really messy. They're not even like any of the ones you get at restaurants. Guys, we made a disaster. If this is the first video you've seen by me, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. And that looks like it's going to be a big pancake. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is the first video seen by me. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next one. Bye.